Hello everyone, let's have a look at our Ultimate Spaceship Creator for Unity. When you open up the catalog scene after importing this package, you'll see all the spaceships ready for use inside your sci-fi game. As you can see, they come in different styles and concepts. For example, we have here what can be used as a capital ship, another one which is styled as an alien ship, and others inspired by fighter jets and a variety of designs and functions. All these spaceships come in a broad array of colors and materials to choose from. What makes this vast collection quite unique though, and gives it the name of Spaceships Creator, is the fact that all of these spaceships are actually made out of modules. You can, for example, easily modify the existing examples, or create an entirely new spaceship from scratch. In addition, you have the ability to modify the texture, easily add faction logos, or make any other adjustments using the included Substance Painter files. Alright, now that we had a quick overview of this pack, we can browse the project files and walk through building a spaceship from modules. As you can observe in the catalog scene, each set has its corresponding name, and you'll find that the folder content is categorized under those names. For example, we have here the Night Eye spaceship. If we go to the materials folder, we'll find one called Night Eye, which contains all the materials you can use for it. Same goes for the prefabs, scenes, textures, etc. Inside the Scenes folder, you'll find the catalog and all modules scene, and you'll also find the individual spaceship set scenes. If we have a look at the Night Eye folder, for instance, we'll see that we have a scene for the examples with each ship being a single object. And we have one where the modules are separate and you could change or move them. And we have the module scene which you can use to build your own spaceship. And while we are here, why not try building a new ship using the module scenes of this spaceship? You can just duplicate parts, move, rotate, and scale them to see if this will get you something that you could use in your game. When you are making your own design, please try to pay careful attention to the silhouettes and always test the design from your game's camera point of view. For example, either from the top if you are making an arcade shoot-'em-up game, or from the back if you are making a 3D space shooter. And if you want, you can also combine modules from different spaceships. For example, I could use modules from this other spaceship over here. But as you may notice that the colors may not match up, in this case you can always use the unified materials located inside each materials folder, which is useful for such cases or for using the same color for a faction applied to different spaceships. After you have finished your design, you can use it as it is if you want to keep the modules separate and just nest it under a new game object, or you can use a mesh baker to combine them. Alternatively, you can always import the FBX files located in the meshes folder and build your own spaceship in a 3D software and export it back. In the catalog scene, you can see a few examples of spaceships built from different sets, and in the modules scene, we have placed also all the modules categorized by function. Generally though, we recommend that you build your ship from a single spaceship set, because this means you'll be using one material instead of two, or more, which is a lot more efficient for the performance of your game. And lastly, before making your purchase, you can always test our free sample provided on the asset store to see if the texture resolution or poly count fits your game requirements. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and we would like to send our gratitudes to each and everyone who has written a review for this collection, and we wish you all the best of luck with everything.